Hi, my name is Aaron Lamb, and this is my 15112 term project, MathShark. MathShark is an educational game that allows players to practice their basic arithmetic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's get right to it. On the instructions screen, we can see a description of the game at the top. We have math sharks attacking us. We have to look at the expressions on the sharks to get rid of them. So there are three types of sharks. First is a basic arithmetic shark. We have to evaluate this expression to get rid of them. The second is a fill in the blank type of shark. We have to figure out what this blank is to get rid of these. Then the third shark are tougher than the other two sharks in that once we figure out what this expression is, when we get rid of them, it'll summon another first type of shark. So here are some instructions. Essentially, we have to draw the numbers one at a time, neatly and in the center of the box on the bottom of the screen. Press space to enter a number we've drawn, press C to remove a number we've drawn, press X to clear the drawing screen, and then press A when we think we have an answer to one of the sharks. So let's play. So first off, we can see that we're on level 1 with 3 lives left. So first, there are 5 sharks. We have to get rid of these by figuring out what the answers to each shark is. So 2 times 1 is 2. So we press space to enter that, then we can press A to send that answer out. Sure enough, we shocked it. Now we don't want this 2 here anymore, so let's press C to get rid of that number. So 3 times 6 is 18. 8 times 2 is 6. 1 divided by 1 is 1. And 1 plus 7 is 8. So there are several waves of sharks. This can take quite a while to fill out, so I'm just going to skip to level 2 right now. Level 2 is a little bit more difficult than level 1 in that we have different types of sharks that fill in the blank types. So let's see. Let's figure out what these sharks, let's get rid of these sharks first. So 2 divided by what is 2? That's 1. So let's enter 1. Press space to enter that number. Press A to get rid of that shark. Then 1 plus what is 10? That would be 9. There we go. Now we have to get rid of all of these sharks. So then we can just proceed as we would normally. So 5 plus 3, 8. 2 times 6 is 12. Then we just keep on going. Now I'll skip to level 3 because that's even tougher. So now we're on level 3. We can see that there are 3 types of sharks now. Regular sharks, fill in the blank sharks, and tough sharks. Let's see what these tough sharks can do. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. Let's put that in. And once we get rid of that, it summons another regular shark. So 8 times what is 48? That's 6. Alright, 5 times 6, 11. Now it summons another regular shark. Now to complete this wave, we just have to get rid of all of these sharks, just like how we've been doing. I'm not going to go through that right now, because it can take a very long time. Let's take a look at the practice mode. So here, players don't have to feel the pressure of winning or losing the game. They can just practice their math freely. So, let's select at least one operation in practice. We can go with subtraction. And now we see that we only have subtraction to deal with. So let's see, 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. And the game plays as normally would. But, whereas if these sharks crossed our boundary here, we wouldn't lose the game because we're in practice mode. We don't have to feel that pressure. So we can see the sharks are about to cross our boundaries, and they have, but we haven't lost. Let's go back to the main menu, practice mode again. Let's select 3 operations: addition, multiplication, and division. And sure enough, we only have the 3 operations: division, addition, multiplication. and the game plays as it normally would. And that's it. That's MathShark. Thanks for watching.